Welcome to our quick troubleshooting guide for when your Garmin watch isn't connecting to Garmin Express. Let's dive into some easy fixes to get you back on track. Step 1, check watch computer recognition. Make sure your watch and computer can see each other. It's the first step in solving the issue. Step 2, look for connection icon on the watch face. Keep an eye out for the connection icon on your watch's screen when it's plugged in. It tells you if your watch is talking to your computer. Step 3, to verify Windows detects the device. Press the Windows key plus E. Select as PC. Garmin devices will be listed under Devices and Drives in Windows 10. In older versions of Windows, Garmin devices will be listed under Devices with removable storage or portable devices. Step 4, troubleshoot connection issues. If things aren't syncing up, try these. Swap out your USB cable and go for a Garmin one if possible. See related content for information about what size of USB cable your device requires. Check your USB port's health by trying another device. Keep things simple by connecting directly and avoiding hubs or extensions. Give your watch's charging contacts a gentle clean. Step 5, restart the computer and try again. A quick restart usually does it, but remember, just shutting down with the power button or closing the laptop might not fully restart your computer. Follow these steps to make sure it's fully restarted. Click the Windows Start icon. Select Shutdown or Sign Out. Select Restart. Step 6, address Garmin Express recognition issues. If Garmin Express is being stubborn, close other apps hogging your watch's attention. Update Garmin Express to the latest version. Remove and re-add your watch to Garmin Express. When in doubt, uninstall and reinstall Garmin Express. There you have it. If you need more help, please go to support.garmin.com.